Okay, in this particular video, we're going to do a left side underarm spin for the ladies. Yes, left side underarm spin. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with this connection, open single connection here, and the right left prepping. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Hoorah! All right, let's go over this direction. Coming toward the camera. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Away from the camera. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right, nicely done. So again, once more, notice that I'm watching her as she goes around and I'm looking at the floor, and I'm making sure the connection is going over the halo. Yes. And take your time. Don't try to force this, all right? Go have fun, practice, breathe, and come on back for your next pattern.